Hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful morning this morning, and today I would like to go over the XRP price chart. So as we can see here from where we last left off, we're still trying to find that bottom. We're messing around, we're finding some support at 0.492. Now, the technical analysis that I provide on this channel is extremely individual, and you're not going to find this anywhere else. It doesn't happen. Traditional technical analysis, in my opinion, does not work on XRP. That's why all these influencers out there are telling us, okay, this, that, and they're always wrong. XRP just screws with everyone's head. It pisses everyone off. All the influencers out there, nobody knows how to read XRP price. They all think that it's normal technical analysis. They use the same methods that they use for other price feeds for XRP price. And finally, you get a refreshing point of view here on this channel where I dive into XRP the way it should be looked at, and not in a traditional technical analysis sense, but in a special way that you're only going to get here on this channel, making correct predictions all the time, seemingly impossible predictions, and they happen consistently over and over. How can you make almost 100% correct predictions on a price chart? It's because something's going on. I'm not the only one that can make these predictions. Something is happening in the price that is predictable. Someone out there, probably with a lot more money, with a lot more knowledge, knows exactly what's going on with the price, and I'm just looking at it from their point of view. Now, anyways, so as we could see here, we're still chopping around on these lows. We had that problematic area that we talked about yesterday, right here at 0.504. So we had that problematic area, that definitely got taken. But again, see, we didn't just break completely down, because I'm telling you guys, we're close to the true value price bottom. No one's going to say that. We're close to the true value price bottom. So as we inch our way up here, which XRP always does, we're just inching our way up on clean price action, then we're able to get higher lows sustainably. So isn't that interesting? We still have not broke below the 0.486 level. Even though we've had plenty of opportunities, now it looks like we're bottoming out, we're inching our way up and going higher. So anyway, I'm going to delete this line, 0.504. We know that was taken, that was a problem area. We created a new low. And looking at the price, just to get this out of the way, everything is clean on the price chart. If there's a TVP, I'm going to tell you, and that's the prediction, is price is coming back down to fill that area. So we already know, it doesn't matter what XRP price does. If there's a TVP, we're coming back down to that level, the light blue line. It happens every single time on a 96% probability over 4 years. So I don't know anyone else that could say that. This is my individual body of research, but hey, whatever. If anyone's listening, they can hopefully get some value out of this. But so as far as from Monday, we started, working our way up on the small little bottom. We took that problematic area, we came up, and now we do have a new TVP that formed, and that new TVP is going to be at 0.510. Well, technically 0.5104, but we're right here, and see, it looks like we're just kind of going up a little bit. But we know no matter how high it goes here, it's going to turn back around and come to the 0.5104 level before it can go any higher. The thing about XRP price is that it can stair step its way up. It's just, I think the problem is that it's just false breakouts that get everyone beaten down. And this method helps with anybody who thinks that XRP is about to break out. I'm telling you, no, it's not. It has a price level. It still has to come down and fill. And because this happens every time, it makes me wonder, how is this possible? You're not supposed to be able to predict the price in the future of one of the largest assets in the entire crypto sphere. Like, you're just not supposed to do that, but I'm doing it. So obviously something's going on. Anyway, so I just want to take a little bit of a larger perspective. So we know the TVP now. We're gonna see price come up a little bit. We're gonna get a huge amount of volatility on this election news. We might wash all these areas, and hopefully we make a break for the upside. Once we do get election results and we do get some type of move, we'll check the price action to see how it looks and to see if it's sustainable. If it's a real move up, I'd be super excited, and I don't think anyone's going to expect it because everyone's used to XRP just fake breakout, come back down, and destroy everyone. There's people still waiting to get orders filled at 0.45, and it's possible, don't get me wrong, but for me, it's not super likely based on my method. Okay, so let's zoom out to the 4 hour here. So 4 hour, I just want to show you guys the value that this method has. So we've been tracking this price for 4 years, but here's just a quick example. So we know from 0.382, it goes way further than this, but 0.382, we have clean price action. We had it all the way up until about 0.44, right? And then we had to wait a couple months, and then price came down on the Japanese carry trade unwind. How can you predict something like that? Should be impossible. No, it's not. We did it here. So price comes back down, and then this is your box of equal price value. So this box right here says the order books are even, you're good to go. So now after we got this wick right here, then we created clean price action up to about 50 cents. Then once we got this wick right here, then we created clean price action. Actually, it kind of came back down a little bit to still about 50 cents. And now we're looking zoomed in super hard on the chart. We've created clean price action from 0.486 all the way up to the new TVP now, which is going to be 0.510. So these shaded areas come from a long time ago. These are what I call legacy bottoms that are creeping up. We're not looking at XRP from a traditional technical analysis point of view. We're looking at XRP from sustainable bottoms, almost like an iceberg where the clean price action is going to be on the very bottom. And XRP, all the noise on the top doesn't matter, but the clean price action that XRP creates on the bottom forms the base for XRP to sustainably move higher. So anyway, I hope that helps. I'm sure there might be some questions, but I think that's good for today. But as far as XRP price action goes, because we have the TVP moving up steadily, I think that's a good sign. We're probably getting ready for a rally here. Had a lot of downside pressure recently. I don't expect 0.486 to get run. I've been saying that a lot ever since it was formed, but it is still possible. You never know, but we have clean price action down here. It's not a requirement. We're going to go ahead, come down, take this TVP. So we're going to roll over just a little bit here, 0.510, take that spot, and then we should be good to go for a rally, hopefully. Depending on, election news, we should get some volatility in, I think, which will be nice because, we've been moving really slow lately. So we're going to see how that goes. And once we do get a move, we'll check the price action to see how it looks. Thank you.